Well, hi there, it's Stacey Hawkins from StaceyHawkins.com, the place to be to make a better meal and live a better life the low-carb way. I get lots of questions about onions. How do I chop them? How do I cut them without cutting my fingers off, my eyes stinging, blah, blah, blah. So today I want to take just a quick minute and show you how chefs cut an onion. First of all, you're going to start with an onion. It's peeled, but the roots are still intact. That's one of the keys to kind of helping you not cry, is to keep it from seeping as much as you can. Next thing I'm going to do is cut it in half. Right down the middle, so I've still got the roots intact. I'm also gonna say, really important to use a good sharp knife. A crappy knife or a dull knife is not gonna get you anywhere. The next thing to do, take the onion, put it root side to your left, if you're a lefty, if you're a righty, and then the other side to your right, and you're gonna cut the onion almost all the way through back to the roots. So, there you go. Cut this way. Now I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna cut this way. I'm gonna cut horizontally into the onion. So in this, you just kind of cut in again, not going all the way back to the root, but just about back. One more time on the top. You're gonna hold it all together. Now simply take your knife and cut through. And you have perfectly sized, beautifully diced onions. For more great chef's tips, check us out on the web at StaceyHawkins.com. Have a great day.